So there
So
are,
for language, you have a common pool.
for language, Milord, it's only the normal section teachers who having requisite qualification are asked to take the higher secondary section. Milord,
From where can we gather this
Milord,
system of approval, staffing pattern?
I will not come to that.
See, it is the first case I'm hearing about this. I would like to see what it is.
I understand. But next thing, Milord, as a private DA getting school, Milord, we are under a liberty to engage as many teachers, Milord, as we wish. We are under no, Milord, regulations, and we are under no foundations of the state authorities to seek a prior approval or wait for a recommendation by any competent authority, Milord, to before engaging a teacher. Milord, there are various considerations why, Milord, a private school has to engage a teacher. Sometimes, Milord, a recommendation comes from a person who cannot be told a no. Milord, his recommended person is appointed.
It is not the issue that there is.
I come to
issue that. Comes who will get the DA.
Yes. But
that is where the norms have to come into play.
Now, Milord,
there cannot be arbitrariness in that.
Yes. Now, Milord, I say that insofar as the claim for DA is concerned, it will be confined only to those, Milord, who come within the sanctioned staff strength.
Correct.
Milord, the sanctioned staff strength on inquiry by the competent authority, the district inspector of schools, has been found to be 6. This is, Milord, in 2019. The order at page 55, which continues until 57.
No, that is the position today also, in this report also.
Milord,
and whereas total 6 number of approved ATs are working in position in the higher secondary school.
Yes.
That is what they say. And
yes.
then they say these language teachers, they are from the normal section. They are taking classes because they have a PG degree.
Right. Milord, insofar as, Milord, this is concerned, Milord, out of these 6 who have been approved, 5 are, Milord, getting presently the DA. One retired. All these 6 were, Milord, granted the DA because at the relevant point of time when approval for grant of DA was given in their favor, rather approval was given which consequently inured the benefit of DA in their favor, Milord, the sanction strength of the students was such which permitted, Milord, 6 approved teachers. The sanction strength, Milord, has thereafter, Milord, debilitated, which, Milord, has resulted in, Milord, the DI, Milord, coming to a fresh finding. And when a report is called for by a coordinate division bench, the report which is placed by the state authorities today, it shows that the number of students, Milord, is in 11, class section 11, Milord, it is 86, and in 12, it is 107, which is just 193 students. So there cannot be any fresh approvals being granted. And insofar as his claim against an existing approved position is concerned, there is no existing position to which he can claim.
We asked them and they said that no, the sanction strength is fixed. It does not vary every year. Now you are saying because students have decreased, the sanction post is decreased.
Let us not go by memos. Let us only, Milord, apply our common knowledge.
Milord, no. We want to know how can we decide by common knowledge? What is the rule? What is the position? How the staffing pattern is determined? How do you approve the post? It is not at the arbitrariness of the DII and it's not at your arbitrariness.
Definitely.
It has to be regulated by some rule.
To it at all.
So, again we are asking you, out of these 6, if only 5 are working, then what prevents you from giving DA to a 6th person? Or recommending him for a grant of DA?
It is the DI who has to approve, but he cannot approve. I am assisting your lordships for that reason, that the report which is filed, it shows only 197 student and the student teacher ratio is 1:40.
We have seen that. We do agree with whatever is being expressed. Again, we are saying what is the norms?
But then staff strength has to be produced before my.
But we have been asking you for that.
The staff pattern is annexed.
Where is that?
No, the memo regarding staff strength.
That's 74. Yes.